Draw learning. Today we are going to draw the Little Mermaid while we learn Spanish. We draw the hair, which in Spanish is pelo. We draw her beautiful eyes, that in Spanish is said, ojos. We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is brazo. We draw its famous tail, that in Spanish is said, cola. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say mermaid in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said, piel. Now we use red, that in Spanish is said, rojo. The drawing is looking very good. We use purple, that is said, morado. We color it turquoise. Turquoise in Spanish is turquesa. Let's see if you know the answer. Mermaid in Spanish is SIRENA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!